We're testing the sub pump for Kevin, and it's working. You can hear the noise in this house in Redondo Beach. You can hear the pump working really well. We put some water down the drain and it's working perfect. So the buyer is happy and we can close the deal.